Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to reset your Instagram algorithm and start your feed fresh. This works is the same way whether you are on iPhone or Android, so just follow along. To begin, tap your profile Instagram. Open Instagram, go to the profile. At the top you can see here three horizontal lines. To open your menu, scroll down, and under what you see, you can see here content preference. Go to here and you can see here your algorithm. Tap on this and you can see here there is a asking what you want to see more. You can add wherever you want. It might be trading, it might be learning something, and what you want to see less of might be girls or something which is not you are interested on this. So after that you can back to here and you can see here reset suggest you can see here reset suggested content. You can go here and you can see here we suggest posts and reels and other content based on factors like who you follow and your activity. You can reset to see something new. Next, reset suggested. So you can see here. So if you like our video, please like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks in advance.